Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. If you're staring at that frustrating error code E39 on your GE front load washer and wondering how to get your laundry day back on track, you've come to the right video. I'm here to guide you through a simple, step-by-step fix that could save you a trip to the repair shop. This error, which is common in 2025 models, usually points to issues with the drain pump or a blockage in the system, like a clogged hose or filter. Don't worry. It's often an easy fix you can handle at home. First things first, safety is key. Start by unplugging your washer from the power outlet to avoid any electrical mishaps. Give it a few minutes to cool down, then locate the drain hose at the back of the machine. Carefully disconnect it and check for any blockages, like lint, coins, or small debris. If you find something, clear it out gently with a hose or a small brush. Next, turn your attention to the pump filter, usually found at the bottom front of the washer behind a small panel. Unscrew the panel, remove the filter, and clean it thoroughly. You might be surprised at how much gunk builds up over time. Once it's clean, secure it back in place and reattach the drain hose, making sure everything is tightly connected. After reassembling, plug the washer back in and run a test cycle. If the error persists, try resetting the machine by pressing and holding the power button for about 10 seconds, or unplug it for a full minute before restarting. This often clears temporary glitches. There you go. That's how you tackle error code E39 like a pro. Remember, if these steps don't resolve the issue, it could be a more serious problem, like a faulty pump, so consider calling a certified technician. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair tips. Happy washing!